On April 25, 2015, a powerful earthquake struck Nepal, registering a magnitude of 7.8. The tremor devastated towns, destroyed homes, and claimed nearly 9,000 lives. Amidst the chaos, stories of resilience emerged. Survivors united, forming makeshift shelters and sharing resources. Local volunteers rushed to aid the injured, demonstrating extraordinary bravery. The international community responded swiftly, with aid flowing in. Reconstruction began almost immediately, with a focus on building back better. This disaster highlighted Nepal's strength and adaptability. 5 years later, the spirit of those affected remains unbroken, as they continue to rise from the rubble, rebuilding their lives and communities.